Well, it's been well over a month since I've worked on my Space Duel game that I bought on Craigslist. I've been distracted with working on an old junker Altima, 1997 Altima for my son for his first car. That's been taking all my time and I haven't gotten back to this. I thought I had a logic board problem based on what the graphics were doing. I thought it was a AVG's chip. But I have built a replacement chip and plugged it in, and there was no change. So that started me to think I should probably test the game board on the bench, and I did. And the video outputs are there. They're full positive and negative waveforms. So the problem is with the monitor. I pulled the monitor board, the deflection board, because that's what I'm having problems with, deflection. And I noticed two burnt resistors and a shorted transistor. Q100 was shorted. I've replaced it. According to the schematics, it's supposed to be an MPSA06. I didn't have one, at least not handy, but I do have an MPSA42, and I think those are close enough to the same thing, so I'm just going to try that and see how that works. The two resistors that are burnt up and bad was R100, which is a 15 ohm half watt, and R102, which is a 330 ohm quarter watt. I should have the 330 ohm quarter watt, but I probably won't have the half watt 30 ohm or 15 ohm. So I'm gonna get two 30 ohm or close quarter watt resistors and solder them together in parallel and replace it that way. So I expect after that this is gonna work. I've already checked. Diode checked everything, all the transistors and diodes on this board. I found no other problems, and the capacitors were recently replaced. I did not notice this burnt before, so this may be a new development when I had this out. That transistor shorted, must have just overworked those transistors while I was trying to test it in the game. But that's where I am with this. I'm gonna finish repairing this and put it back in and see if it works, and I'll make another video later.